What should I do if I lost my ATM card number?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a common yet critical problem: losing your ATM card number. It can be a scary situation, but don't worry, there are a few steps you can take to secure your account and replace your card.
What's the first step?
The first thing to do when you realize you've lost your ATM card number is to contact your bank immediately. This can typically be done through their customer service hotline. Inform them about the situation and ask them to freeze your card to prevent unauthorized access.
How do I protect myself from fraud?
After contacting your bank, you should monitor your account for any unauthorized transactions. If you see any suspicious activity, report it to your bank right away. They can help you with the process of disputing the transaction.
How can I replace my card?
Next, you'll want to request a new card from your bank. They'll walk you through the process and, in most cases, will send you a new card in the mail.
What precautions should I take in future?
To avoid losing your ATM card number in the future, it's a good idea to keep your card in a safe and secure place. Don't write down or share your ATM card number with anyone, and make sure to keep it separate from your PIN. Losing your ATM card number can be a stressful situation, but with these steps, you can secure your account and get a new card. Remember, the most important step is to act quickly. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you a safe and secure banking experience.